Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we will look into how to start a meeting in WebEx. So here we have two different options of starting a meeting. A scheduled meeting you start or go to your personal room. So first we look into the scheduled meeting start. So what you need to do at the scheduled meeting time, sign into your WebEx site and look for the upcoming meeting. So if you see it here on the bottom, you will have all your upcoming meeting and you simply click to start the meeting. If you have accepted an invitation from an external for the meeting, then you will see a join button here to join the meeting. So these are all the listed meetings here. They are all the scheduled meeting. If you see it here, the time, and if you wanted to schedule a new, you just click on schedule and then you can go to schedule it. Now if we go back to, this is the one way, either you start already scheduled meeting or join a invited meeting. Second way of going to a quick meeting, you start your personal room. So you will see your link here and you just copy paste and send it to the other parties and they would be able to join it. And now we will go to the personal room. So once you will click on the personal room, then you will see here, it will ask you to start a meeting. So how you like to use the web or WebEx app. If you select the WebEx app, it will open already installed WebEx app on your computer and use the web. It only possible to join from a MacBook computer or a desktop computers. You cannot do it over the iPad or iPhone or mobile devices. For mobile devices, you needed to have a mobile app. So this review will help you what you will do it here. If you click on use desktop app, so it will pop up the Cisco app, just start it here. So if you will go down to the use web, so it will open on the web. So this is how you can start your personal room. You can simply click here and copy from here, and then they will just you can give this room link to whoever you like to send. Now we will go back here. Once you have started a meeting or started a personal room, or you click on join already invited into meeting, so the next thing you will see it here, connect your audio. So you will see this screen and you will see the video is already on. You would be able to see yourself and then the mute, and you will use your computer and you can use the call in feature. So let's you leave it as your camera and then you join meeting. So second, choose how you want to hear the audio of the meeting. So here you have the option using computer audio, or you can ask Cisco to call you and then you put your number here. You can use call in, so that means you can also dial in a number here. So here are the also briefly defined here. So if you look here, computer audio, use your computer with headset speaker. This is the default audio connection type. You can change headset speakers or microphone anytime. You can stay with the headset, or you can just use without headset with the mic and speaker of the computer. I'm making this review on a MacBook. Okay, so then you can use the enter the select the work phone that you would like to. So this one what I was explaining about the call. Then call and dial from your phone when the meeting starts. Don't connect audio. This is also an option if you do not wish to have the sound in the meeting. This happen usually in the cases, for example, you are connected in another meeting and you do not wish to listen the audio from the meeting, you just want to see the presentation. Then you just click on this drop down here, and this drop down link will take you to the do not connect the audio. So if you want to join meeting with the muted, so you click on this green button and mute it. You can unmute anytime. then simply join the meeting. Start your video is exactly next to the audio, then you can do that. So by default, self view shows in a mirror view. You can turn off view if you wish to see your self view video same the other meeting part. So let's check what is turn off mirror view. Now I'm going to another page on the Cisco, and okay, this is something they do not have this article. Okay, let's ignore this. And usually you have three different options: active speaker view, and then you have the grid view, and you have the third, the full screen view. The three different option you can have that check there. Now if you go here further, privacy limit possible distraction from your video, you can use virtual background. Virtual background is another thing. For example, if I'm sitting in a room and my room is pretty messy and I do not want other people to have this, so then I can use the virtual background. So now I will go how to the page. So how you will use the virtual background. So click on change background and then do one of the following. To blur your surrounding while you're remaining on the focus, you can click on blur. To use default virtual background, click one you want. So here below you would be able to find the virtual background. To join a meeting with a compatible video devices, if you have already a video device that you wanted to use that, then you can use that. So to connect to a video system from the desktop app, so from that video system you needed to install the have the app. If you have the Polycom or the other video system, they already coming with the built-in video conferencing app, so you simply dial to WebEx and with the IP or the address, and then you're able to do that. So let's go back and stay on the share contents. Once you join the meeting, if you wish to share content, you can simply click on the share button. Here you will see, once you will join, you will see on the front panel, you can click on the share button and go the share content, and in the file menu you can also use the share option. So go to the share menu of the more sharing option. So what are these options are? Optimize for motion and video. So if you are planning to do share a video, then you check this option so that your video sound will be very stable. And share your computer audio. So if you are playing a YouTube video on a browser and then you wish to uh, show that video to your audience, then you will optimize for the, if you do use this drop down here, you will have other option for the text. So if you wish to share a PowerPoint presentation or Adobe Reader, one thing you have to make it understandable: if you are using a video embedded in a PowerPoint or any of the other slide, it might not work properly. So it will, so the better that you play that video separately while sharing the screen. So here you can share the screen, you can share application. So once you share the application, you can also pass the control to the other participant in the meeting. They can also take control of your sharing application. If you do the share screen option, then you will not have the option to pass assign control to the other participant. Recording. So once you joined here, then you will have the record a meeting. So what you do while you are in a meeting, so before joining the meeting, you have only 1, 2, 3, and 4 option and some settings here. But when you join the meeting, then you can also see on the front the record a meeting button, and your participant also can see the red icon at the top of your window when recording is in process. So what will happen when the meeting ends? You can find your recording in recordings, my recording page of the WebEx site. So I will take you back to that where you will find it once it is done. So we go back here. I will make it slightly bigger. So here is the link where you will find your my recordings. Now we go down, 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 and high quality video supported cameras. Most PC compatible cameras should work with WebEx. The following camera were tested high quality videos. So here is a list of the cameras that works with the high quality video. But normally nowadays, if you are using a MacBook or a Lenovo computer, so they are all having the HD. So this was the short review how to join a meeting, how to connect audio, how to use the call-in feature, how to share screen, how to share a presentation. Right below in the comments, please write and let us know what other videos you would like to see. If you wish to see this link, I will also post this WebEx official link in the video. Thank you very much. I wish everybody nice evening. Bye bye.